The top 5 passive income streams to make money while you sleep. Number 5 is my favorite. Make sure you watch till the end and find out how you can make $30,000 in a month. What if I told you that you could make money while you sleep? Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, it's real. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up 5 different passive income streams that can help you build wealth while putting in little to no effort over time. And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scam. Passive income does take work up front, but once it's running, the money keeps flowing in, even while you're chilling on vacation or sleeping. So if you're tired of trading time for money, hit that like button and keep watching. Let's get started. Alright, before we dive into the actual income streams, let's quickly define what passive income is and what it isn't. Passive income is money you earn without constantly working for it. You put in the effort once, and then it continues making you money automatically. Some examples are rental income, dividends, and automated online businesses. But let me be real. There's no such thing as completely effortless income. Even passive income takes some setup. But once you build it, it can generate income for months or even years with minimal maintenance. Now that we've got that cleared up, let's jump into the first and one of the easiest passive income streams. 1. Dividend stocks. Imagine owning a piece of a company and getting paid just for holding their stock. That's exactly how dividend stocks work. Companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, and Microsoft pay their shareholders a portion of their profits every quarter. It's basically like earning rent, but instead of a house, you own shares in a business. Let's say you invest $10,000 in a stock that pays a 5% annual dividend. That means you get paid $500 per year without lifting a finger. And if you reinvest those dividends, your earnings compound over time. Some of the best dividend-paying stocks include Coca-Cola Johnson and Johnson Procter & Gamble. And if you don't want to pick individual stocks, you can invest in dividend ETFs like VYM or SCHD, which spread your risk across multiple companies. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Vanguard make it super easy to start. Just do your research, invest in solid companies, and let your money grow. 2. Rental income. Owning rental properties is one of the oldest and most reliable ways to make passive income. But let's be honest, buying a house isn't cheap. Luckily, there are ways to invest in real estate without needing hundreds of thousands of dollars. The first way is through Airbnb arbitrage, where you rent a property, furnish it, and list it on Airbnb. This way, you can generate rental income without owning the property. The second way is investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. These are companies that own income-generating properties, and when you invest in them, they pay you dividends, just like stocks. For example, with platforms like Fundrise, you can start investing in real estate with as little as $10. So whether you buy a rental property, do Airbnb arbitrage, or invest in REITs, real estate is a powerful way to build long-term passive income. 3. Digital products. Selling digital products is one of my personal favorite ways to make passive income. Why? Because you create it once, and it sells forever. Some of the best digital products to sell include ebooks, online courses, digital templates, like resume templates or budgeting spreadsheets. For example, I know someone who made a simple Excel budgeting template and listed it for $10. They've sold over 1,000 copies, making $10,000 plus in passive income. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy make it super easy to sell digital products. So if you have knowledge or a skill, turn it into a product and start earning. 4. Affiliate marketing. Have you ever clicked on a link from a YouTuber or blogger to buy something? That's affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote products and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. You don't need to create a product, just recommend things you already use. Some of the best affiliate programs include Amazon Associates Shopify affiliate program ClickBank. If you create content on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, this is one of the easiest ways to make consistent passive income. 5. Automated online businesses. Lastly, we have automated online businesses. This includes dropshipping, print on demand, and subscription-based businesses. For example, with print-on-demand services like Printful or Redbubble, you can sell t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies without handling inventory. The company prints and ships them for you. You just collect the profits. Alright, those were the top 5 passive income ideas. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.